All right, so just received this in the mail, and not too soon because I got some flat tires on my bikes. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we get in here. It looks super, super cool. Let's pull her out. Woo! This thing is meaty, beady, beefy. Meaty and beady and beefy. And it's got all of these directions on it, so I don't want to take those off. This is the head of it. Check it out. It's got a USB output, USB-C, and then it's got these two little things. I think that's a light right there. So that's that. Now also it comes with this booklet. You want to keep that. And it's got, I think this is a thing to put it in, and then you get all this stuff, which I do believe. All right, so you got this thing, this little hose here, so you can fill up your stuff. I think this screw, I don't know, we're gonna have to figure it out. We're gonna have to read about this. And here's for our charging station. I think we gotta charge it, maybe. It might have a charge in it, but it comes with a USB to USB-C. All right, so yeah, it's not too long, but I think it'll work. And then this they give you some caps for your wheels. And I think there's another booklet in here. I don't know what this is. Well, this is the warranty. So you get a warranty with it. All right, so let's take a closer look at this bad boy. Save that warranty. So I'm out at my workbench, and this is everything that comes with it right here. And this is the body itself. If you look on top, you've got USB output, USB-C input. So I do believe that, to charge it, we probably would plug in there. This thing, I think, is what this screws into. All right, and I think this side here is where the air comes out, and that would go right on there like that, I do believe. Here's the USB to USB-C. All right, it does have this little bag that you can stick it in, so you can do it. It comes with these. So now we can do a basketball, I think we can do our car, and we can do a bike tire. I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping on. But we'll find out, I guess, once we put it all together. And it does come with these caps. This is the booklet I highly recommend reading, and this is the warranty on it. So there you go. And the name of this it's Syncwire. And it says Inflate Series, 5-mode setting. It's got a 260 mAh battery, portable design. There's a guide to it right here if you want to look at it. The back of it, it's got the features, and you can scan with a transparency app if you want to put the app on your phone, which I don't know if we need to do that. But yeah, and then look at over here. This baby's down, and look at this one. So we got some tires to fill up, don't we? Oh yeah. And we're gonna try this bad boy and see what we think. So that's the unboxing, and then we'll show you how to use it.